Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what is the unit testing and how we can give the answer to the interviewer. What is the unit testing? If the interviewer asks you, oh, what is the unit testing? So you can give simple answer like unit testing is a type of software testing and unit testing done by the developers. So and in the developer, what developer are doing for the unit testing? So they are completely divided into some individual units and components. So they divide codes into the individual units. After that, they test the individual units of the code, like they did testing in the loops, variables, methods, and functions. So they can do testing on that particular code. So this also known as white box testing, and the purpose of the unit testing is to validate that particular code are perfect or not, they are performing very well. So we can do in the unit testing like this. If a interviewer ask you like they expect more in from your side, like they need to more answer you can give, so you can add one more thing like what was the techniques we can use in the unit testing. So there are some techniques, code coverage techniques we can use in the unit testing, like wait a minute. Okay, code coverage. These all are the code coverage testing, like statements coverage, decision coverage, branch coverage, condition coverage, and finite state machine coverage. So these all are the techniques we can use in the unit testing. We can one by one learn in upcoming videos. So okay. So after that, if you want to more add into the your answer, so you can simply like give put in your answer like what was the tools are used in unit testing. So like JUnit and unit, JMockit, EMMA, and PHP unit. So if you like add your in your question like this type of what are the tool are used in the unit testing. So one thing also you remember, you should learn about one tool. So you not in detail, but you should have knowledge for at least one tool, and simply basic knowledge you have. If interviewer asks you, okay, like what was the use of unit into the for the unit testing, so you have an answer like this is the use, these are the we can use for the unit testing. Okay, so why we are use the unit testing? Unit testing is important because software developers sometimes try to saving time doing minimal unit testing, and it's a mess because inappropriate unit testing leads to high cost defects fixing during the system testing, integration testing, and even beta testing after the application is built. So what was the scenario here? If the developer are not doing unit testing and go directly, they build do give to the QA. So at that time QA are doing testing like system testing, integration testing, and like more there are more types of testing, so they do this all are the testing. So at that time they very high level or major level defects are occurring here. So it's a very costly. So for the our application or a software, the cost is going to high. So that's the reason we can do unit testing and follow the some techniques for the unit testing. Okay, so if the proper unit testing is done in early development, then it save times and the money in the end. Unit testing help to fix bug early in the development cycle and save the cost. So earlier, it's very important that all are the high level major defects are fixed in the development phase. So there are no more high level or silly defects are occurring into the system testing, integration testing when the QA are doing testing. So it's good for our application, our development cycle, and the time, it's not consuming more time if the developer doing unit testing. So these some more points are here. You can read this all. Also, like a good unit test serves as a project documentation. Unit tests help with the code reuse. If you do unit testing, so you can easily use uh, your code in other application for the other softwares. Migrate both your code and you test to your new project. Okay, so that's all about our unit testing. If you want to more need to knowledge on in unit testing, so